Welcome, boys. We haven't done a Dodge Ram video in a while, but today we are. It's going to be a fairly easy video, though, until this turns into a royal pain in the ass. But assuming it doesn't, the only thing we need to replace is the sway bar end links. We're going to replace one on each side, although this side is the bad one. As you can see, half the work's already done for me. I only need to take this nut off. And don't mind all them sirens, but you know how it is. It's a nice day out, we're in the city, and it's good killing weather. So, ignoring that, we'll go ahead and get to work on this. And this is our replacement part. Looks to be the same. A very short deal here. Actually comes with a grease fitting, so that's pretty sick. So, yeah, that should be a pretty decent replacement. Comes with new nut as well. This is going to be our Master Pro undercar chassis components. Yeah, what do you know? It's even distributed by someplace local. Here we go. Sway bar link kit made in China. So it's made in China, distributed by Ozark Automotive in Springfield. Alright, whatever. I believe this is going to be our part number for our 2001 Dodge Ram 1500, the factory off-road package. So this is the 1500 Sport. Part number King 7453, if you guys were wondering. Alright, let's see how easy this is to get off. Okay, boys, because this ain't my first rodeo, we know we're probably going to make a better go at it if we tighten this and hold this in place as opposed to trying to loosen with this. But that remains to be seen. So we do have the 19 mil on the nut and a 5/16 I believe is what we have over here. Oh no, once I rotate it around because 9 millimeter a bit too big, 8 millimeter a bit too small. So 9/16 seems to be the 5/16. I don't know. I'll let you know here in a second. Can I fit the impact in here, though? Because that would be pretty sick. You know what? I think I can with the adapter. We're going to make quick work of this, boys. Okay, with our adapters on here, this guy just fits. So hopefully we don't break it. And we broke it. Yeah, I was too lazy to grab the correct size and impact, so let's try regular. Is it coming loose? Well, what do you know? I broke my tool for nothing. Alright. Well, that could have went better, but that part could have went worse. I think I need an actual metal hammer. Alrighty. Take two. Got it. Actually, not too loose. Wouldn't have snapped off. It'd probably still be good. Alright, let's get the new one in. Alrighty. Can I? Now, I'm going to have to jack up the sway bar, I guess. Or I could jack the car up for the differential. Okay, and immediately upon taking two pumps, I figured out, oh, wait a minute. Derp, I did that wrong. Kept jack it up from the frame so the suspension stays still. Derpity derp. So, you know, whoopsies. Now we should be able to get her in. Almost, boys. It's like in there. Almost. I need to find a way to get the jack up off the ground because this truck sits so fucking high. Okay, one 4x4 fence post under my freaking frame. Between the frame and the jack later, and now we should be able to get this thing through there. Hooray. Alright, let's see. What is the size of these things? Okay, so looks like the one's going to go on top, 17 mil. So it's going to go metal thing, bushing, metal thing, nut. Hopefully I can get this started enough to get some squishing action in. Alright, so that'll be 17 mil, tighten that. And then this other one appears to be slightly bigger, so I guess it's like a 19 or something. Okay, it actually looks like a 19 mil fit. It's probably a little loose, I think. But my 19 mil impact might be a little swelled up. I believe we've overused it in times past. But that is what it is, I guess. Alright, tighten the top down. And then we're good to go. Okay, boys, and that's how we replace the sway bar end links on our 2001 Dodge Ram 1500 pickup. This is the 1500 Sport factory off-road package. Should be the same for similar Dodge Rams of this year and body style. So I'll go ahead and do the other side off camera. It's the same procedure. You don't need to see that, and I'll grease them up and call it a boom done. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.